Hey guys, good to see everyone. This is Igor with Upfit. Just wanted to show you one of our products inside before installation. As many of you was wondering what is the difference between Pro30 V1 and V2 Sleepers, and we always reply that the only difference is in the interior design, but we usually just have them only newer trucks, like newer models, sleepers for Freightliner Cascadia, Canvas, T-Series, Ford F-Series trucks, but we haven't showed any of V2 sleepers for Freightliner M2, Hina trucks, as well as International Durastar. So here I am inside of one of those V2 sleepers, and if you could see, it's a little bit dark over here, but this is a difference in the interior design of that sleeper. So that's a completely different upholstery and completely different design. So like, this is really pleasant material to touch. And yeah, those central console is different as well. It also has that kind of light. I mean, the sleeper is not connected to electricity right now, but I just wanted to show you. Yeah, this is the light. You can just yeah, it's flexible. And here in that sleeper we have curtains on each of the side windows. Yeah, it's also like hanging on the strap right now, so I cannot just close it completely, but let me just do it a little bit. So basically you can close the window like that, and the same thing on the other side. And the other thing is the sunshade on the sunroof. This is retractable sunshade. Yeah, that just helps escape from extreme heat and direct sunlight. And one of the other cool features that we implemented in those V2 sleepers is the hidden under the mattress compartment, where you can just put some of your belongings, something like maybe a passport, maybe a cell phone, maybe some pile of cash, or maybe a weapon if you carry anything with you. So this is the compartment again. So it's not really good light over here inside the sleeper, but yeah, this is the doors that you close and open, and on top of that there will be a mattress, and also with a separate piece of mattress just on top of that compartment, so you could easily get access to that compartment and to your belongings. Yeah, so this is basically the difference between those sleepers. So if you don't know what our V1 sleeper look like, please visit our YouTube channel. There are plenty of videos of Freightliners, Hina, and international box trucks with V1 sleepers. But yeah, this is the new V2 sleeper. Spacious, cool design, light and soft material used. Yeah, stuff like that. And of course, yeah, it comes with some outlets. It also comes with the main light over here. Yeah, and of course sunroof. Alright, thank you so much for watching. It was really good to see you. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us by phone or email, 612-440-0805 or info@synergyupfit.com. Thank you so much.